Our food choices have a profound impact on the environment. From the farms where our food is grown to the transportation systems that bring it to our tables, every step in the food chain leaves an ecological footprint. But what if we could make choices that nourish both our bodies and the planet? That's where sustainable agriculture comes in. Sustainable agriculture is a holistic approach to food production that prioritizes environmental stewardship, social responsibility, and economic viability. It's about creating a food system that nourishes people and the planet for generations to come. Conventional agriculture often relies on intensive farming methods that can deplete soil, pollute waterways, and contribute to climate change. In contrast, sustainable agriculture focuses on practices that protect and enhance the environment, such as reducing chemical inputs, conserving water, and promoting biodiversity. One of the most impactful ways to support sustainable agriculture is to choose locally sourced food. By buying from local farmers and producers, you reduce transportation costs and emissions, support your local economy, and gain access to fresher, more nutritious food. Another key aspect of sustainable eating is choosing seasonal produce. Fruits and vegetables that are in season locally require less energy to transport and are often more flavorful and nutritious. Look for labels like certified organic or fair trade to support farmers who prioritize environmental stewardship and fair labor practices. These labels indicate that the food has been produced in a way that minimizes environmental impact and promotes social responsibility. We can all play a role in supporting sustainable agriculture by reducing food waste, composting, and even growing our own food. Every small action counts. Ready to make a difference with your food choices? Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more sustainable living tips and life-enhancing advice.